Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah.
There were 10 little ducks, oh so bright, in a pond full of colors, a delightful sight.
Let's learn our colors, they quacked with glee.
Join us now, come and see.
Red is the apple, shiny and round. Red is the rose that grows from the ground. Red, red, see it spread. Little ones giggle, their faces turn red.
Next comes yup blue, like the sky up above. Blue is the ocean where we splash and shove. Blue, blue, look at me. Waves of laughter flow like a sea. Now for the yellow, bright as the sun. Yellow is laughter, it's all about fun. Yellow, yellow, shine so bright. A smile on your face brings pure delight. Then there's green, like grass under feet. Green is the leaf where two little friends meet. Green, green, jump around. Little hearts leap with joy unbound. Don't forget purple, regal and bold. Purple is magic in stories told. Purple, purple, can you see? With dreams in our eyes, let's just be free. Lastly comes orange, juicy and sweet. Orange is sunset when day turns to greet. Orange, orange, what a treat. Together we dance to this colorful beat. So here are our colors, red, blue too. Yellow and green, purple shines through. And orange so bright, one last big cheer. 10 little ducks say colors are here. With every repetition, a joyful song sung. Learning these colors keeps hearts ever young. For every small duckling learning today, colors bring smiles in a magical way. So remember these hues when you play around. 10 little ducks teaching joy can be found. In red and in blue, yellow shines bright. Colors unite us with pure-hearted light.
Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah.